Ranking Azerbaijan food. Let's see. Havana, Cuba, number 8. Very good, very nice. Sajok, number 10. Let's see. Plover, number 9. Very nice. Let's Scheherazada, number 2. I know Scheherazada. Delma, it's Margarina, number 7. Very good. Bamcioi Dalmatian, number 6. Very nice. Bali, it's an island in Indonesia. Indonesia, number 3. Very good. Tsitsi, number 5. Tsitsi. Let's see. Lili Habib, number 1. And number 4 is kebab, of course.